Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GitHub Actions. Today we are going to learn which events can you use for GitHub Actions. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So GitHub Action is a powerful tool that allows you to automate your workflows directly within your GitHub repository, right? So you can use the GitHub Actions to respond various events that occur within your repository or GitHub itself. So some of the examples of the events you can use for the GitHub Actions are repository events. So what are the repository events? Like whenever we try to push a request, okay, pull a request, right? There is a whenever there is a issues, okay, so in that case these are the repository events, so we can trigger that part. So whenever we do the push, this remains the same. It is triggered whenever someone pushes the code. So whenever there is a person when push the code to your repository, that will trigger. That is the repository events. Then we have a pull request. So this is also stays the same. It is triggered by the various actions on the pull request, like creation, opening, or editing, okay, closing the pull request, or reviewing the pull request, or merge the pull request, right? So in that case it will use. Next we have issues. This stays the same as well. It is triggered by the changes in the issues, such as creation, editing, labeling, assigning, or closing. Okay, so these are the repository events, right? So these events you can use whenever you try to push the code, pull a request, or create a issue, edit a issue, or labeling a issue, right? So next we have a schedule events. Okay, schedule events basically remains this you can define a time schedule for the workflow. So here you can specify the cron, so on which time it will run. I will explain you in a detail. I have already the tutorial currently, so I will explain in the next coming video. Then we have a manual events. Okay, so this is a workflow dispatch. So this event is still accurate, but it's often referred by its alias within its workflows, which is simply a workflow dispatch. This allows you to manually trigger. So if you want to do the manual process, not on the behalf of like push event, pull event, okay, or issues, in that case if you want to trigger manually, then you can go with the workflow dispatch. Okay, so this is that one. So this is how you can do that one. In the next video we are going to learn about the event filters and the activity types GitHub Actions. Okay, so this is for now. Any doubt, any query, that do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.